Ready to take control of your financial future? Start by understanding the 4 pillars of personal investing: stocks, systematic investment plans, fixed deposits, and cryptocurrency. Each offers unique opportunities to grow your wealth. The key is knowing where to begin. Let's break them down one by one. Stocks let you own a piece of a company and benefit from its growth. SIPs, or systematic investment plans, allow you to invest small, regular amounts into mutual funds, building discipline and reducing risk through pound cost averaging. Fixed deposits offer a safe, guaranteed return, perfect for conservative savers. And cryptocurrency. It's the high-risk, high-reward frontier of modern finance. The secret to mastering personal finance is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stocks, SIPs, FDs, and a measured portion in crypto. Review your portfolio regularly, stay informed, and adjust your strategy as your goals evolve. With patience and a solid plan, financial freedom is well within your reach. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.